The Meyers Manx isn't just a car. It's a cultural icon, a wild child of the 60s that rewrote the rules of fun on four wheels. Designed by Bruce Meyers, this Dune buggy wasn't built for speed records or luxury, this was made for the thrill. The open air, the sand, the sun, nothing screams freedom louder than a Meyers Manx tearing down a beach. With its fiberglass body, VW Beetle frame, and unmistakable buggy silhouette, the Manx stood out immediately. It was simple, light, and easy to build. And that's what made it legendary. Even today, when you see one, your head just has to turn. It has that timeless charm, like it's always up to something mischievous. Now here's the crazy part. Back in the day, people built their own Meyers Manx using kits sold by Bruce Meyers himself. But fast forward to today, and the legacy lives on. The new Meyers Manx 2.0 is out, and yes, it's electric. The future meets nostalgia in the most jaw-dropping way. Imagine that classic Dune buggy silhouette but updated with electric power, better suspension, more torque, and sleek styling that still pays tribute to the original. It's like the 1960s version came back from the future with a solar tan and a high-voltage heart. Absolutely wild. The electric version of the Meyers Manx is expected to offer up to 300 miles of range depending on the configuration. With power figures around 202 horsepower and 240 lb-ft of torque, it's no toy, it moves, and fast. 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds is what they're aiming for. That's serious performance for something that looks like pure fun. Let's talk about design. That iconic rounded nose, short overhangs, and wide stance make it perfect for beach runs, off-road trails, and even daily urban driving if you're the adventurous type. And that retro-modern vibe? It's unmatched. There's nothing else like it on the road. Now you're probably wondering, what's it gonna cost? Well, the expected starting price for the new electric Meyers Manx is around $74,000. Yeah, not cheap. But for collectors, nostalgia fans, and EV enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. Especially when you're owning a piece of automotive art that also happens to burn zero fuel. If you're someone who loves unique cars, the Manx checks every box. It's exclusive, it's rebellious, it's fun. You don't just drive a Meyers Manx, you make a statement. It's about personality, lifestyle, and letting your inner wild run free. And guess what? Only a limited number are being made. That exclusivity adds even more to the appeal. It's like owning a legend. Every time you step in, you're part of a story that started on the beaches of California and still echoes around the world. You might have seen some of the wild builds on Instagram or car shows, off-road tires, custom paint, wild LED setups. The customization potential with a Meyers Manx is endless. Whether you're restoring an old one or modding a new EV, there's a strong community behind it. And speaking of community, did you know there's a massive cult following for the Manx worldwide? From Baja races to vintage car meets, the buggy always draws a crowd. It's not just a car, it's a vibe. And people instantly connect over it. Let's take a second to appreciate how Bruce Meyers didn't just design a car, he sparked a movement. One man, a vision, and a fiberglass mold created one of the most iconic off-roaders ever built. Talk about legacy. And now, the Meyers Manx is entering the electric era with style. It proves that old-school charm and modern tech can work beautifully together. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about redefining fun in the age of electric mobility. If you've ever dreamt of driving something that brings smiles to everyone's faces, turns heads at every corner, and delivers a thrilling ride, this is it. No touchscreen SUV or luxury sedan can give you what the Manx offers, pure joy. So if you're into cars that are bold, historic, and ahead of their time, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Updater M5G, where we bring you the wildest, rarest, and most interesting car updates from all around the world. Hit that like button if you're loving the Meyers Manx as much as we are. Share this video with anyone who's into off-road fun, retro designs, or electric innovation. Let's spread the buggy love far and wide. And hey, drop a comment below if you take the new Manx over a Tesla. We want to hear from you. Coming up next, we're diving into more retro-modern builds and crazy car concepts, so stay locked in. Subscribe to Car Updater M5G, like this video, and keep the car culture alive.